For multi-event athletic competitions, see track and field competitions. Section meetings. In a meeting, two or more people come together to discuss one or more topics, often in a formal setting. Definitions. 1. Merriam-Webster Dictionary defines a meeting as an act or process of coming together, for example, as an assembly for a common purpose. A meeting is a gathering of two or more people that has been convened for the purpose of achieving a common goal through verbal interaction, such as sharing information or reaching agreement. Meetings may occur face-to-face or virtually, as mediated by communications technology, such as a telephone conference call, a Skyped conference call, or a video conference. One can distinguish a meeting from other gatherings, such as a chance encounter, a sports game, or a concert, a party of the company of friends, and a demonstration. Meeting planners and other meeting professionals may use the term meeting to denote an event booked at a hotel, convention center, or any other venue dedicated to such gatherings. In this sense, the term meeting covers a lecture, seminar, conference, congress, exhibition, a trade show, workshop, training course, team building session, and kick-off event. Types of meetings. Common types of meeting include ad hoc meeting, a meeting called for a special purpose. Board meeting, a meeting of the board of directors of an organization. Breakfast meeting, committee meeting, a coming together of a defined subset of an organization. Investigative meeting, generally when conducting a pre-interview, exit interview, or a meeting among the investigator and representative. Kick-off meeting, the first meeting with a project team and the client of the project to discuss the role of each team member. Management meeting, a meeting among managers. Off-site meeting, also called off-site retreat, and known as an away day meeting in the UK. One-on-one meeting, between two individuals. Pre-bid meeting, a meeting of various competitors and contractors to visually inspect a job site for a future project. The meeting is normally hosted by the future customer or engineer who wrote the project specification to ensure all bidders are aware of the details and services expected of them. Attendance at a pre-bid meeting may be mandatory. Failure to attend usually results in a rejected bid. Staff meeting, typically a meeting between a manager and those that report to that manager. Stand-up meeting, a meeting with attendees typically standing. The discomfort of standing for long periods helps to keep the meetings short. Team meeting, in project contexts, a meeting among colleagues working on various aspects of a team project. Town hall meeting, an informal public gathering. Work meeting, which produces a product or intangible result such as a decision. Meeting frequency options. Since a meeting can be held once or often, the meeting organizer has to determine the repetition and frequency of occurrence of the meeting. Options generally include the following. A one-time meeting is the most common meeting type and covers events that are self-contained. While they may repeat often, the individual meeting is the entirety of the event. This can include a 2006 conference. The 2007 version of the conference is a standalone meeting event. A recurring meeting is a meeting that recurs periodically, such as an every Monday staff meeting from 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. The meeting organizer wants the participants to be at the meeting on a constant and repetitive basis. A recurring meeting can be ongoing, such as a weekly team meeting, or have an end date, such as a 5-week training meeting, held every Friday afternoon. A series meeting is like a recurring meeting, but the details differ from meeting to meeting. One example of a series meeting is a monthly lunch and learn event at a company, church, club, or organization. The placeholder is the same, but the agenda and topics to be covered vary. This is more of a recurring meeting with the details to be determined.